everyone, it's Brian with Weidert. I just wanted to give you a pretty important update for any of you who are using the HubSpot Score property or any scoring properties. Over time, you could have accumulated some additional ones. Our demo portal here has a big Lytics score. You might have score properties under companies as well. So if you want to go in and check on that, you're just going to go in and choose score, and you'll see the score properties that you have. The issue here is this is being sunset. So HubSpot has rolled out their new lead scoring tool, which I'll show you in another video, but they are sunsetting the old score properties on August 31st. All of the existing ones that you have are actually going to stop updating. So you're no longer going to get any of the updated data in there. So anyone new, their scores aren't going to change. Nothing's going to update anymore. So what you're going to want to do is go in and make sure that that's not going to affect you, right? So if you're not using scores, then you could, you don't have to do anything. But if you are using scores, what you want to do is come into your properties, and you can choose score from this drop down here, and you'll see the different score properties that you have. Then you scroll over to what it's used in, and you'll be able to see where you're using it. So in this particular example, we're using it in one workflow. So I'm going to know that that workflow is no longer going to function after August because this isn't going to be updated anymore. So I need to find another way to get that information. One way is from the new lead scoring tool, which, like I said, I'm going to show you in another video. But what you want to do is take down the information that's in there so that you can then use this as a time to recreate it as the new lead scoring tool, which is what we did on our end. We decided this was a great time to redo our lead scoring tool because it had been, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate to this, something that we set up a long time ago, and you over time you add to it, remove to it, but then it's not really functioning the way you wanted it to anymore. So this is a great time to go ahead, audit it, and start fresh. So if you need any help with that, reach out to us. You can shoot me a message on LinkedIn. I'd be happy to assist you with this. But this is going to be something that's going to affect you if you're using the score properties. So take a look, go in there and see if this is going to be an issue for you. And if it is, go ahead and get out ahead of it.